If you're wondering how you can lock apps on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Security and Privacy. Now under Security and Privacy, just tap on More Security Settings, and over here you will find the option of Secure Folder. Just tap on it, then tap on Continue. Now just wait for a few seconds until you create the secure folder on your tablet. And from here just select a lock type for your secure folder. For an example, I will select the PIN. Now just create a PIN which must consist of at least 4 digits. And after you create your PIN, just tap on Continue. Select Use Anyway. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. And select OK. Select Turn On. Now just tap on Next. Now as you can see, we have successfully created the secure folder on our tablet. As you can see, if we open the app drawer, this is the secure folder. Now to lock the apps using the secure folder, just tap on the plus icon over here. Now just select the apps which you want to lock. For an example, I will select these apps. And after you select the apps, then tap on Add. And after you add the apps to your secure folder, then tap on the 3 dots over here and go to Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Auto Lock Secure Folder. Instead of when screen turns off, just select each time I leave the app. And after you select this option, and if you leave the locked app, it will lock itself automatically. Now from here, just go back and tap and hold on the apps which we have locked. And from this pop-up menu, just select Add to Home Screen. Tap on Add, and once you do that, you will create a shortcut of the selected apps on your home screen. Now if we go to the home screen, as you can see, these are the apps which we have locked. Now if we open any of the apps which we have locked, it will ask us to enter the PIN which we have created. Just like that. Now you can either use the shortcut which we have created and you can delete the original app from your tablet, or you can use both of them at the same time. But remember that the shortcut will only be locked and the original app will not be locked. So I recommend you use the locked version. And this is how you can lock apps on the Galaxy Tab A9 and the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.